welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm super excited. We are going to be diving into Colourpop's My Little Pony palette. This packaging couldn't be cuter. I'm super excited about this product. I have never tried Colourpop before, so this video is my first impression of using their product. If you guys want to see how I created this super fun, colorful, playful look, then just keep watching. Let's take a look at this packaging. It could not be cuter. This is the box that it came in. Oh my gosh, this is like taking me back to childhood right here. This is so cute. The palette itself, this is what the front looks like, and then the back lists all the colors, and then the inside has like a ton of different options for looks in here. Super fun looks. I really cannot wait to dip into this. I've never used Colourpop before, so this is gonna be a first impressions. I was really pleased with their prices when I went on their website, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first up, I'm gonna be going in with this peachy orange color right here called Flutterbye, and I'm just going to be putting that throughout my crease as my transition color. I'm really curious to see how the pigment's gonna be on this too. Some pigment. That's nice. So I'm pretty happy with that color. I think the color payoff is pretty good considering what a pale color it is. It definitely is a pop of color, which is great. Next up, I'm going to be using this color right here called Blossom. This is just a peachy orange metallic color, and I'm going to be patting that down on my lids. Ooh, this is such a gorgeous color. Wow, that's so pretty. And again, the payoff on this is pretty good. I don't have any eye primer down or anything sticky that is helping this along, like a setting spray. This is just on its own, so that's pretty impressive. Next up, I'm going to take this color right here. It's called Minty, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense because this is a pink fuchsia color. I feel like one of these colors down here would be better suited to be called Minty, but I'm not the one naming these. So anyways, we're gonna go in with this minty color and my pencil brush, and I'm just gonna place this on my inner and outer corners. Again, the color payoff is pretty good. And these are also blending pretty easily as well. And then I'm just going to go in with my smaller fluffy brush and just blend that out. And I'm just going to connect these two lines together very lightly. Next, I am going to go in with this color right here called Bluebell. Again, with these color names, this is so weird because I would think that this one down here would maybe be Bluebell, but nope, this frosty, creamy color right here. But anyways, we're gonna go in with that, and I'm just gonna put that on my brow bone. And I'm going in very light with this, and it is quite pigmented. It just gives a really nice sheen to the eye. Okay, next I'm going to be going in with this Marc Jacobs eyeliner in the color Deja Blue, and I'm just going to be popping that in my waterline and smudging it into my lash line. And then I'm just going to take my paddle brush here and just smudge that in. Now I'm going to be going in with this blue color down here called Sparkle Princess, so I'm just going to be smudging that along my lower lash line. I kind of can't get over how great the pigment is. I barely went in with any eyeshadow on this, and I mean, it was enough to smudge out my whole under eye. This is kind of crazy. I'm pretty shocked considering the price point of this product. Now I'm just gonna take my larger pencil brush and just blend that out. Alright, next up I'm going to be using this color right here called Skydancer. This is just a lavender metallic color, and I'm going to be placing this on my inner corners and smudging it down below on the first quarter of my lower lash line. Wow, the pigment on these colors is just unreal. I am just so surprised. I kept hearing people talk about how great Colourpop was, but you know, you never know. Some things are kind of gimmicky. I've tried out other brands that a lot of other people talk about being so great and they're not so great. So I thought that maybe this had some hype around it, but man, this stuff is like pretty great. And I'm also just taking this color up into my inner crease as well. Okay, next up I'm going to go in with this Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow eyeshadow. This is the color Sea Siren, and I'm just going to be popping this on my inner corners. Alright, next I'm going to pop on some mascara. Today I'm using Urban Decay's Troublemaker, and I'm just going to put this on the top and bottom lashes. Okay, next I'm going to be popping on some House of Lashes in, these are Iconic Lights. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these on off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, so we have the lashes on. I think the eyes are complete. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with some highlight now. And I think I'm gonna dip back into this palette, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which is that bluebell color that we popped on our brow bone. And then I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here called Snuzzle. This is a white shimmer with like a blue-green micro glitter in it. So I think we're just gonna layer those. So that has a nice subtle glow to it. Okay, and now we're gonna go in with that Snuzzle color and just pop this right over the top. Just for a little added glow, and yeah, that's definitely giving a lot of glow. For blush today, I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here called Applejack. And I know how pigmented these are, so I'm just gonna go in super lightly with this because I'm guessing that it's gonna be super pigmented. Okay, lastly for lips today, I am going to be using Sugar Pill's Kimchi, and this is just a nice nudie grayish lavender color, and I am going to be lining my lips with Kat Von D's Everlasting Lip Liner in the color L.U.V. This is just like a purpley fuchsia color. And I'm going to be taking my lip brush and just blending this out. I'm just going to be blurring the lines a little bit. be going in with that kimchi color. And I'm gonna use my lip brush to just blend those two colors together. Alright guys, I think that does it for the look. So as you can see, I was definitely inspired by this packaging. I mean, the entire look is pretty much the same colors as this. I think that this palette is super cute. I am so impressed with these eyeshadows. I tried to use as many colors as I could today. They work great all over the face. You guys saw me use these as a blush, as a highlight, eyeshadows. I am super impressed. I'm definitely gonna have to pick up some more Colourpop eyeshadows. And I know that they have a whole range of products, so I'm excited to try their other ones too. I'm so impressed. If you guys have tried out Colourpop, let me know down below. Let me know what you think of it. I think that the value for what you pay for these products is absolutely insane. I really can't wrap my head around how this company is able to put out such high quality products for such a low price. It's like insane to me. Anyways, I think that just about does it for today. I want to thank you guys for watching, and don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram if you want at Sarah Sargent MUA. That's going to be my makeup channel. And you can also follow me at Sarah Sargent Pepper. That's going to be my lifestyle page. So just me on the road touring with bands and all sorts of random stuff. Also, if you'd like, you can subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!